If you are watching this video, there is a big chance you are very serious about starting your Airbnb or rent-to-rent business, just like I did, and I was able to make £25,000 in 1 month. My name is Vincent and I help entrepreneurs like yourself to scale their business, either in property or other fields. The first time I've made £25,000 in 1 month, it was in August 2023. We were scaling our rent-to-rent service accommodation business and also as our management company, and we were adding more properties into our portfolio. We had 40 units under management, some of our own rent-to-rent units and some of which we manage for our investors. And those 40 units during August, which is the busiest month for us, it's summer, we have made £25,000. £25,000. When I was a manager in the restaurant, I never made £25,000 in 1 year. And now we managed to do it in 1 month. Since that, we have added 7 new properties into our portfolio in just 1 month. So imagine, it will be 2024, we're not gonna have 40 properties, we might have 100 units. And if we manage to get £25,000 from 40 units, we might get around £60,000 to £70,000 in 1 month with 100 units. It's very good to be adding more units because it will mean that your business will make huge amount of money. When I took our first deal, it was in May 2021. Me and Andre, we went for viewings. We came there, we secured this 1-bedroom property, which the rent was £600. And for the first 3 months, we were making around £400 a month. September 2021 till January 2022, we have secured another 4 rent-to-rent units, and suddenly we had 5. And those 5 units already made us good income. And after we added more units and more units and more units, and now we are on this level where we have around 47 units under management. Now, these are 3 main tips for Airbnb hosts to start and scale their rent-to-rent business. Number 1, get a professional photographer. Trust me, as much as you think your nephew is a good photographer, you need to get professional photographer. And the reason being is guests will see photos as a first thing. It's as a first impression. So you need to invest into professionality. Make your guest check-in experience as smooth as possible. From handing them the key to checking them out. With any issues, they need to have a great experience, as this will determine the rating they'll give you after their stay. Make sure the unit is cleaned and well put together. Make sure the amenities you have on your websites are available. Bonus tip: white linen shows cleanliness and professionality. Number 3, communicate with neighbors. Trust me, if your neighbors know that this property is run as an Airbnb, the whole experience will be much easier and smoother. Not all neighbors will like you having an Airbnb next door. Find out what experience they had in the past and how you can improve it to make it as simple as possible. This will also make guest experience much better in the long term, avoiding noises and complaints. Bonus tip: make sure to give them something extra. Give them some gift when they arrive, because they will feel appreciated, and also this will impact the final rating on their stay. Starting Airbnb or any business can be really overwhelming. If you are ready, you can book a free strategy call where I'll help you to get your answers. Just like Solon and Lewis, who I helped to reach £4,000 a month from this strategy.